Dear viewers, thanks for watching this video. This machine is making tomato sachets and it's called multitrack sachet filling and sealing machine. Crown Industries manufacturing and exporting and dealing with this multitrack packaging machinery. Manufacturing single track, two track and multi-track machines for liquids like mineral water, liquor sachet and milk, different juices, all type of manufacturing with the Crown brand. Thanks for contacting us. Contact at +91 9963 121244. Our website www.crownindustries.co.in. Thank you for watching again. Thank you so much. Do contact +91 9963 121244. Crown Industries, Hyderabad.